there is a dog saying to me how, and I don't know for who that's how. How? 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 Did you hear that? I don't like. I like dogs, but I'm scared of them. I'm scared of dogs, but there is only one dog here. Hey, be careful! Stop! Ow! Ow! I love dogs, but I'm scared of them. You stupid! Stop! Stupid dog. Look at that fast speed. You know something? There is... No, you don't know. There is one bus like this. It was faster than him. You stupid! Stop! Stop! Did you see that dogs don't like me? How? How? Stop! Look at that! The one boy is from our school. Here. And finally, the dog is not saying how Hey, what are you doing? How? Oof, thanks God, the dog is dead. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe and please like and share. Thanks guys for watching. Look, I want to say something. The first thing I will next video, maybe I will download the vlog. Maybe after tomorrow, because after tomorrow is Thursday, not Friday. This is our school. And look, the swimming pool. That's our swimming pool. Oh no! Whoa, look. He said to me, hi! Ha ha! That is a new one. It's from Wakut. Yo, Wakut. Bye.